up, land of Bitcoin? I've got a little technical difficulty here. For some reason, I can't upload. It's going to take over 2 hours to get this video out. For some reason, it should take a few minutes. It's an 8-minute clip. So I'm going to do this a little different. This is time sensitive, so I want to get this out. I just recorded a video that I can't upload to YouTube, so now I'm going live. Let's get to it. This is going to be different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up on the screen right now. This is the video I just recorded. This is going to take over 2 hours. This is time sensitive, so I don't know how the quality will be. So let's just get to it. Here it is. Let me know if the Greetings, crypto nuts. I hope your travels through the cryptoverse are going well this evening. I've been banned from making videos for 7 days. I'm finally back. Look at the Bitcoin Street Wonder chart working its wonder. However I want to say that. Okay, so there's a little screen update. That's fun to do as soon as you start recording. So what I'm doing right now is I'm buying my short position back, and I've made a sub account where I'm entering long positions right now. For those of you that watch my videos, the last Friday every month is the red line on this chart. November 26th right now. What's up, man? Is the last Friday of November. If you've been following along, I don't have to explain this to new people, so for the people that have been watching my videos, look at that. That's a doozy. That's a doozy. Look at that, November 26th. It doesn't usually happen right on the day, but here it is, right? This is the dump. How's the audio? Every month, basically, this is following the same pattern. It changed a little bit back there, but every month the same pattern shows up. What's going on is the futures markets are getting wiped out right now. For people that put in big bets, the Bitcoin will be like 80,000, 100,000, whatever. Those people are getting wiped out. The people that, I don't know exactly who it is, probably the people that are selling those orders to people. They come over here, the big boys come over here, and big ladies come over here, and they manipulate this price down. So this is the futures closing date, the 26th. It dumps down to it. The yellow line is where it starts pumping every month. It's never been more than like 5 days, 5 or 6 days later after the red line. Sometimes it's before the red line. I thought maybe this would be it here, but there it is. And it could still dump a little further. This line here is at 53,097, this white horizontal line. It could dump down there. It could come further, but this is likely probably it. So right now I'm closing down. I'm legging out. I'm buying my short order back. My other sub account, I'm longing right now, and I'll decide what I do with this account later tonight. But we're looking for the yellow line, right? For those of you that have been watching along, this chart is very, very good. We're looking to put the yellow line in, right? Boom, right? Boom. And the yellow line is where the next pump starts, right? So if I get my drawing tool out, there we go. So we'd be looking for like this. We're looking for the bottom. The bottom, it'll be obvious, and then this yellow line here, right? This is where the next pump starts. It probably won't be later than say November 30th. I wouldn't be surprised if it's, the next candle's opening up in about 5 minutes, and this is the daily chart. So the next candle opens in about 5 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if it's the November 27th candle, where the yellow line is at, 28th, 29th, 30th. Got a little update going there, but let's get my screen back here. I'm filming this GoPro, not my camera, so if I can get this out to you real quick. I want this video out until the next 8 minutes. The next candle opens in 8 minutes. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the bottom. Now, I could be wrong, but I think the next candle is probably going to be green. Maybe not. Maybe it does come down. It's got an outside chance of coming down here. This 48,000, 50,000 area. But I think there's enough bullish stuff out there, much bullish sentiment, that we're probably going to be putting in the yellow line pretty soon. Say November 28th, right? Just a guess. It should be coming soon, and I'll make this video short. What's gonna happen? Let's get this circle out here. This, it's gonna bottom somewhere around here, likely. Now, this isn't exactly perfect, but it's perfect in the sense that this pattern plays out month after month, but it's not, it's not pinpoint accuracy. I can't say this date at this price, but it's coming, right? Likely it's coming. The late November, December pump is going to start, and it's probably going to do something like this, right? Probably going to do something up towards that area. I don't know how high it will go, or if December is going to be a huge fake out month because everyone's bullish. Maybe Bitcoin only pumps up to, it could do like a fakey fake, right? It could be just a little pump and then boom, right? Or maybe the bulls are right. Maybe it pumps way up here to 72,000 in December, and then boom. But see this blue line over here? This is the last Friday of December. So it's gonna, if it's a little pump, it's gonna dump down towards this next. This will probably be the next red line, right? Last Friday November, last Friday December. Maybe it's a huge pump. Maybe it does go to 80,000 in December. But then, the bigger the pump, the bigger the dump. It's got to dump back down towards this date, right? And then follow this same kind of pattern into January. The next pump. I've been saying it over and over and over, and this chart is working well. Let me end this video and get this video out to you real quick. I'm recording this with the GoPro. I think I said that already. But let's reset the chart. Get you a look at that. Right now, I'm buying back my short positions that I've had open for about 3 months. And on another sub account, I'm legging in longs. I think 53,000 is probably a pretty good place to do this. I do think the bottom, this red line's the last Friday. I do think the bottom, I mean, anytime from this candle, next candle, the next 3 or 4 or 5 candles, maybe December 1st, December 2nd, at the latest, is where the pump will start. That's what this chart's telling me. Now, this pattern could break, but it's been doing it since December of 2020, right? For those of you who are watching along, anyways, I just want to put this out. I sure hope someone out there is getting some good use out of this. It's great information to have. Yellow line should be coming soon. That's where the pump starts. And then we'll be looking to put in a dark blue line sometime in December when the dump starts. It dumps back towards the red line area. And then we'll put in a yellow line, a blue line, a red line, right? So it's just working and working and working. Until the pattern breaks, I'm going by it. It should be probably pretty good for the next couple months, at least into like February 2022. There's likely going to be, at some point, there's probably going to be a 50% crash only, right? Just keep that in mind up, in the near future, month or 2 or something. It could come right now, right? Or not, no, probably likely not now. But, like it could pump back up to like, 62,000 in December could be, the 50% dump. So watch out for that. This pink line I have down here, I've changed the colors up a little bit since a week ago. This pink line down here is at about 29,500, 29,778. That's the line that will be protected by people like Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey and Cathy Wood. That's kind of the floor, right? I don't think Bitcoin will probably go below that again, unless there's some kind of catastrophic black swan crypto event. There would have to be big players like Michael Saylor and Elon Musk would have to start selling, right? I'm pretty sure, to get it to go down here for any amount of time. And okay, let's wrap this up. I sure hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching. Okay, so that recording still has an hour and a half left. I don't know why YouTube is taking long. It's kind of strange. An 8-minute and 30-second clip. So let's just get YouTube off the screen. Bye YouTube. And then here we are. So where's it? It's up to 54.3. That's why it was time sensitive. I wanted to get it out. I was trying to make this when it was at 53.6, 53.7. So it's coming up. I don't know. I had a feeling the next candle would start out green. It's kind of a little pattern it follows. As you can see, it's opened up about a half hour ago now. 32 minutes ago it opened up, and there it is. So but be careful, right? I don't know. This might not be the monthly pump, right? We're looking for the monthly pump, right? This could come up and it could still dump down. The dump may not be over, but I think this white line at 53.097 is probably a pretty good support for this particular dumpy do. So let's zoom out on the chart. There it is. I saw some questions out there. I do think eventually there will be a 50% dump. I actually covered that. I saw the question come in, but that was already covered. So as you can see, I've sold about 2/3 of my order. Making this video probably has cost me a little bit. I would have probably liked to. I said sell. That's a short order. Buy. I would have liked to buy it all back under 54. So, but I can still dump. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. And for the second time, as always, thanks for watching. Could be a triple top. This head and shoulders. Head. There could be a right shoulder in 2022. First quarter 2022. Second quarter 2022. It could be a massive Wyckoff distribution cycle playing out. That takes like 18 months. Or it could just be. This could just be the dead cat bounce. It just happened to go up a little higher. This could be the dead cat bounce, and maybe it comes back up December and January, and then boom, right, and then into the kind of a bear market. I don't know if there will be a bear market or if there's even going to be a bull market. Bitcoin might just be kind of a platypus, right? It could just be kind of a stepping stone into the super cycle. 10 years from now, we could look back at this and say, hey, that was that first stepping stone. But who knows for sure? Right now, this is just what I'm doing. I got a sub account where I'm legging in longs, little tiny long orders. And on this, where I've had my shorts open, I'm legging out of the position, little tiny buy orders to buy back my shorts. But okay, for the 1 millionth time, later. Sure hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.